When it comes to a family on the move, you can count on Payne Auto Group to have a safe, comfortable, and spacious vehicle for everyone. We have easy financing available, including over 35 lenders to get you the deal that fits your budget. Payne Auto Group can customize your vehicle's interior, lighting, add performance parts, or any other feature that you wish to upgrade. Plus, the parts that our experienced technicians install will keep your vehicle's warranty valid. We also have auto insurance at every Payne Auto Group location to get you a quick and easy quote for personal, business, and fleet rates. Payne Auto Group can also help protect your automotive investment with available gap insurance, guide point tracking security systems, and paint and windshield protection. Don't forget to use our online tools to find out the value of your current vehicle so you can take advantage of our easy trade-in process. Be sure to check out Payne Auto Group's 5-star ratings on Facebook and Google. We have what you want at Payne Auto Group Valley-wide. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.